G'day and welcome to the Mixed Stitch Fan from the Cynthia Sampler with Jenny Brandis. Here you can see the threads are all set up to start the fan. This pair will come in on the point of the first fan. We have the new pair and 2 pairs of passives. 3 in cloth stitch, and the last pair of passives will now be in half stitch. On this pin we have the lighter half stitch pair. The darker pair will be the cloth stitch weaver or worker pair. I will be using the lighter pink pair for the half stitch part of the fan. Cross stitch through the 3 pairs of passives, adding 2 separated twists to the worker pair in between. Twist, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, twist. Tension, then add the fan edge pair. Cross, twist, cross, twist. Add the second pin twist and put up the pin. Tension and close the pin with hole stitch. Add a twist to the workers. Return through the cloth stitch passives, adding 2 separated twists to the weaver pair after each passive. Tension. Take out the temporary pin and draw down the edge thread into the work, starting the pink half stitch section next. Cross and twist. Bring in the next pair with half stitch, cross, twist, and add the turning twist so that the worker goes back into the work. Put up the pin and tension. Half stitch back to the passive line, cross, twist, cross, twist. Now we're at the start of the passives. Add a second twist to the worker pair before we do the cross stitch passives. Cross, twist, twist, tension. Cross, twist, twist, tension. Cross, twist, twist, tension. Work the outside pair in hole stitch. Cross, twist, twist. Add an extra twist to go around the pin and put up the pin. Close the pin with hole stitch and add the passive separated twist. Cross, twist, and twist, tension. Work the passive section. I am putting a single twist here so that the dark thread continues as the worker thread. Tension. Cross, twist, bring in the next pair, cross, twist, add the pin turning twist and put up the pin. Hold down the worker bobbin and tension across the fan. Half stitch back to the passive line, cross, twist, cross, twist, add a second twist to the weaver pair, cloth stitch, 2 twists through the 3 pairs of passives. Cross, twist, add the pin twist to the weavers and put up the pin. Tension. Cross, twist, and a single twist on the outside passives and tension. Cross stitch 2 twists through the 3 pairs of passives. Continue with half stitch in the V of the fan and cloth stitch passives separated with 2 twists on the outside with a winky pin edge. Transitioning from fan to fan has only one pair of half stitch. Thank you for watching this.